Welcome to Gardening with Dan. So I've selected a location for our garden and I'm just shoveling some soil into our wheelbarrow here. So today we have several things we're going to plant. Hot and spicy oregano. Regular oregano. Thyme. Thai basil and sage. Basil gets pretty big, so maybe I'll put 2 basils down on this side and then just fill it up with the other herbs and see how we go. Ready, Danny? Alright, let's give it a try. Here's what we've done. Thai basil, sage, hot and spicy oregano, regular oregano, and pizza thyme. Alright, we'll see how the garden goes. Thanks for watching Gardening with Dan. That's all you have to say? What do you think about your plants, Danny?